Save money on electricity. Smart air conditioner tips you need. Number 1. When you turn your air conditioner on, turn on the comfort air first. This allows the system to reach the desired temperature and operate more efficiently. Number 2. Once you turn it on, open the door for 5 minutes. It helps improve air circulation and allows cool air to flow more smoothly. Number 3. Turn on the air conditioner with a fan. It allows the air to circulate and cool down quickly. Number 4. Maintain a desired temperature of 23 degrees. In summer, the appropriate indoor temperature is 23 degrees. Save your electricity now.